The pig in Latin. Nominative case, singular, subject noun, Porcus. Porcus in agrō relaxat. The pig relaxes in the field. Genitive case, singular, possessive, Porcī. Locus porci prope est. The pig's place is nearby. Dative case, singular, indirect object, Porcō. Agricola Porcō aquam dat. The farmer gives water to the pig. Accusative case, singular, direct object, Porcum. Lepus Porcum spectat. The wolf watches the pig. Ablative case, singular, location, means, or circumstantial context, Porcō. In Porcō spēs est. In the pig, there is hope. Nominative case, plural, subject noun, Porcī. Porcī per silvam currunt. The pigs run through the forest. Genitive case, plural, possessive, Porcōrum. Vīlla Porcōrum magna est. The pig's home is large. Dative case, plural, indirect object, Porcīs. Lepus cibum Porcīs offert. The hare offers food to the pigs. Accusative case, plural, direct object, Porcos. Nebula Porcos obscurat. The mist obscures the pigs. Ablative case, plural, location, means, or circumstantial context, Porcīs. Luce Porcīs apparenta poeta scribelat. As light appears around the pigs, the poet scribbles. Porcus porci is a noun belonging to the second declension. In this video, we've explored the 5 primary cases and their most common uses, both singular and plural. Remember, some cases can convey meaning beyond what we've covered here, so keep exploring to discover the full depth of Latin grammar.